All right, for this project, you're going to need your worksheet and you're also going to need your chalk. For now, you can put your worksheet aside and we will want to get out the colors of chalk that we need to do this project. And for today's project, you will need your primary colors. Your primary colors consist of red, yellow, and blue. So please get those out now. And then we can put the rest of the colors away because we'll only be using these 3 colors. All right, and set your other colors aside and set your 3 primary colors aside as well. Before we get started, we're going to do a quick review on something you should know very well, and that is the ABCs. Now we're not going to deal with A today and we're not going to deal with B today. We are just going to be using the letter C. The letter C is going to help us draw our shape. So we're going to be drawing a C shape to do this project. Now that we've reviewed our letters, let's get to our project. So I want you to take your piece of paper that you have in front of you and turn it like this so that your clouds are on your right-hand side. All right. The first color I want you to use is your red. So what I want you to do is draw the letter C, start at the very top, and draw a C all the way down to the very bottom dot. So you're going to start with the top dot to the bottom dot. I want you to draw a C with your red chalk. So draw a C from the top dot and follow it around to the very bottom dot. You're gonna have to hold your paper tight and you're gonna wanna make it a little bit thicker. So get some good color in there for your first red C. You colored in pretty well. I want a big thick line for C. All right, now I want you to put down your red chalk and pick up yellow chalk. And what I want you to do is come from the middle dot to the middle dot over here. And we're going to draw a C in the same fashion, but inside the red C. This one too, you want to be a little bit thicker, so you're going to color it in. And then you're going to take your blue chalk and you're going to go from the inside, the bottom dot, to the top dot here. So the bottom dot here to the top dot here. So here we go. C, one more C. So then once you have that done, I want you to put all your chalk away and maybe make your yellow one a little bit thicker. The yellow one can be as thick as you want because we're going to do something pretty amazing with this next. Once you've finished drawing with your chalk, I want you to turn your paper to its side. Oh, what does this look like? If you guessed rainbow, you are correct. So the cool thing we're going to do with this is that we're going to use our finger, or you can get a tissue or a paper towel to do this, but your finger will work fine. You just have to wash it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go from the yellow and then we're going to go into the red. So start smearing from the yellow into your red. And you just want to rub that white line that's in between, and something magic will happen. So just go ahead and just blend in that line so all the white is covered. Can you see what's happening? That's right, it turned orange in between. All right, and you might want to wash your finger at this point, or at least clean it off. And you're going to do the same thing. The yellow into the blue and the blue into the yellow. And in between, when you mix the yellow and the blue, you get green. And you end up with a beautiful rainbow. Now, you can take a marker if you'd like, and you can draw your friends and your family underneath the rainbow. You can draw a few birds up here by just drawing a little tiny letter M if you want. And you can make it your own, whatever you want to make it. So that's it. Have fun. Bye.